It's just the POV in there. Like, let me see if I can give y'all the POV. The POV of the inside is crazy, y'all. Like, look at that POV. That's crazy, bro. I don't know. Maybe I'm fanboying out, but this is my first time, because I only see him on the road. So, like, I never even seen one park before. You know what I'm saying? So,
Really?
yeah. So it's cool.
Yeah, I'm missing out on bucket all day, man.
Yeah, I'm glad we got to come. Still don't know what the like prices are for this kind of car or whatever, but definitely gonna have to check that out, y'all. This is the end of the video. They have a lot of stats in here. I think they only really had like 2 employees in here when we went in here, y'all. They got QR codes you guys can scan. The cars are here. Take a test drive is what it says on the experience. It's called Experience the Best Touring. 384 to 425 miles EPA range, as y'all can see right here on the window. And then they just have some stats about their unrivaled technology, which is basically just, you know, trying to make you buy the car and vehicle, which is nothing wrong with it. Then they actually have the LUCID electric drive unit, and they actually have the batteries in the store, like the model of the batteries for y'all to see with the weight, the power, and the density and stuff like that.